Welcome to DIY Saturday with me, your host, Shundara. Hey, all you savvy naturalistas, welcome to another episode of DIY Saturday. But hold up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome DIY Saturday / Savvy Naturalista family. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and in this episode of DIY Saturday, we are making the easy turmeric all natural baking soda body scrub. So this recipe is really great. It's all natural, but I wanted to do a disclaimer before we start the video, and I am really repetitive. I am using a half a tablespoon of turmeric powder for this recipe. So if you are a fair skin, or you have like yellow, like yellow skin, like lighter skin tone, oh my god, you guys, just please, if you have a lighter skin tone, please use less turmeric, because if you use too much turmeric, it will stain your skin. If you've ever used like turmeric bath bombs or like turmeric any type of bath soaks, you will notice how your tub has a ring, like a yellow ring, and it will sort of stain your skin like that. So if you don't mind the skin staining of the skin, I mean, sometimes it will stain my skin. My skin tends to look like a tint of yellowish greenish, which I really don't mind. It looks really cool to me. But if you care about that and you don't want to go out in public looking like yellow, then go ahead and use probably a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder for this recipe. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Make sure you check out Larimar Elixir as well as Miracle Glow Oil. I really hope you enjoyed this episode, and let's get started. Welcome to another episode of DIY Saturday. So in this episode, we will be making a turmeric baking soda scrub. So I'm really excited to make this recipe. So we're going to start off with a cup and a 1/4 cup of turmeric. So you just want to use a heaping, did I say turmeric? Woo! That would be a lot of turmeric. You would be literally painting yourself with turmeric powder. But we're going to start off with a cup and a 1/4 cup of baking soda. Many of you probably got it before I said it, but woo! That would have been a lot of turmeric, and a heaping 1/4 cup of baking soda. So you want to get all the clumps. To that, I'm going to add about a half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Now, I know I probably said this in the intro, but this is a disclaimer. If you are fair skinned, please, please, please. Wait, before we do that, we want to add a heaping tablespoon of kaolin clay. So now we're going to use a half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. This is a disclaimer. If you are fair skinned or of any lighter skin, make sure you use less of that, because you do not want to stain your skin and walk around looking like an orange limo, or an orange, I don't know. You don't want to walk around looking like turmeric, okay? So let's mix that in until it's combined. So once you've mixed that turmeric powder in the turmeric, you want to start by adding your liquids. So of course we're going to start by adding a heaping tablespoon of glycerin. So ooh, that was a lot. That was more than a heaping. That was a dump of a lot. So that's a heaping tablespoon of glycerin. To that, we are going to add Miracle Glow Oil, which you can find at SavvyNaturalista.com. Miracle Glow Oil contains all natural 24 karat gold, as you can see, and you can find that at SavvyNaturalista.com, as well as our Larimar Elixir, which you can find at SavvyNaturalista.com. And we're just going to add about 20 drops of that. To that, we're going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of orange essential. I'm going to use the cap because the cap is pretty small, but you just want to add a 1/4 teaspoon. Do not add too much, and do not add too much. Please don't add too much. Just a 1/4 teaspoon is of essential oil is a nice scent for you to add, okay? Just a 1/4 teaspoon, that's perfect. If you want to add more, go ahead, but I just suggest a 1/4 teaspoon. Now to that, we're going to add a bit of coconut oil. So I'm going to use about half a cup of coconut oil. Many of you know I don't have the right utensils ever. So what I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna add 3/4 cups of coconut oil. So I have this cup, measuring cup right here, and this measures up to about, they have like little grooves telling you where to stop at a half a cup, a quarter cup, and 3/4 a cup. So I'm just gonna use the grooves in it. And like I said, this show is on a budget for now, so I haven't had the right utensils. And I know I've been saying that for a minute, but we just switched channels. So you know what? You know what? This one is on a budget as well. So I'm just using the brand new coconut oil I got. You can use any type of oil you like. I just like using coconut oil because it's pretty clear. So I really, truly enjoy using it. So what I'm going to do for this coconut oil is just melt it in the microwave. So we're just gonna, and you just want to use a 3/4 of a cup, not too much. I know you're probably like, dang, you used a cup, but once we melt it in the microwave, it shouldn't be that much. But we are using 3/4 a cup, like I said. I'm sorry if I'm being repetitive. And we're gonna melt this in the microwave for about, I would say, under 30 seconds. And that's just to melt it down, because when you're using baking soda, I tend to like my coconut oil or any type of oil I use for baking soda scrubs to be melted. So we're just gonna melt this down. So once your coconut oil is melted down, you wanna pour it all over your baking soda scrub. And now you just wanna mix it into its combined. Maybe a little hot, so you may wanna just use the spoon. So we're just gonna mix that up. And this is a really good moisturizer for the skin. Oh, I just love a good baking soda, coconut oil, turmeric powder scrub. See, and look at the pretty colors. So look at the color of the turmeric powder. It's really interesting what it will do with baking soda. I love how it looks like a thick, beautiful paste. Like it's a red paste. Look at this, it's beautiful. Oh, I just love it so much. Oh, I can't wait to use it. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, it's so beautiful. So this is the finished product. I'm gonna do a close-up. Look at it. So that's the finished product. It's a very deep, dark color. Such a beautiful color. As you can see, look at how beautiful it looks. So I want to thank you so much for watching this episode of DIY Saturday. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out Miracle Glow Oil at SavvyNaturalista.com, as well as our Larimar Elixir at SavvyNaturalista.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next episode of DIY Saturday. Bye, you guys.